Advances in Medical Benefits of Personalized Music Research by Dr. M. B. Mondal. Personalized music interventions have gained increasing recognition as a promising adjunct therapy in diverse clinical settings. Unlike standardized or generic background music, personalized music is tailored to an individual's unique preferences, emotional history, and specific clinical needs. This review article examines the evolving field of personalized music research, outlining its historical progression, theoretical underpinnings, and current applications in neurology, mental health, and pain management. Neurological conditions such as dementia, Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and stroke have shown positive responses to music interventions that resonate with a patient's personal identity, sometimes yielding improvements in agitation, mood, and motor functions. In the realm of mental health, research demonstrates that listening to self-selected music can lessen anxiety, alleviate depressive symptoms, and enhance social engagement. Moreover, personalized music exerts notable analgesic effects, particularly in reducing pain perception and reliance on opioids in post-operative and chronic pain settings. Advances in technology, including wearable sensors, artificial intelligence-driven recommendation algorithms, and virtual reality, further expand the potential impact of personalized music by facilitating real-time adjustments and immersive experiences. Despite these positive developments, challenges remain in scalability, standardization of outcome measures, and ethical use of biometric data. Future research directions include larger randomized controlled trials, refinement of personalized protocols, and integration of telehealth platforms to reach geographically or functionally isolated populations. Overall, the current evidence underscores that individualized musical interventions offer safe, cost-effective, and versatile pathways to improve patient outcomes, reinforcing music's central role in holistic healthcare practices. Keywords: personalized music, music therapy, neurological rehabilitation, mental health, pain management, dementia, Parkinson's disease, artificial intelligence, wearable technology, biopsychosocial interventions. 1. Introduction. Music has been embedded in human culture and daily life for millennia, serving as a channel for emotional expression, social connection, and personal enrichment. Increasingly, medical communities are tapping into the therapeutic potential of music to support various facets of health. In recent years, there has been a shift toward personalized music interventions, approaches that tailor musical selections or experiences to the unique preferences, clinical needs, and contexts of individual patients. This personalized approach contrasts with more generic, one-size-fits-all music therapy methods and is grounded in the premise that each individual's musical identity is shaped by psychological, social, and cultural factors. Sevone et al., 2020. By offering music that resonates with a person's lived experiences and personal tastes, researchers and clinicians have observed increased efficacy in patient outcomes across cognitive, emotional, and physiological domains. Ritter and Gamessen, 2021. The growing interest in personalized music research is underpinned by a burgeoning body of literature that explores how music can be configured to address a range of clinical conditions, including neurological disorders such as dementia and Parkinson's disease, as well as mental health issues like anxiety and depression. Jung and Lee, 2020. Personalized music interventions have also been integrated into pain management protocols and palliative care, emphasizing their applicability in diverse healthcare settings. This review article surveys the current state of personalized music research, highlighting the evidence that supports its use, discussing mechanisms by which it exerts benefits, and exploring new frontiers in technology-driven solutions. 2. Historical context and evolution of personalized music interventions. The therapeutic use of music within healthcare has origins that can be traced back thousands of years. Across ancient civilizations, including those in Egypt, Greece, and China, music was incorporated into healing rites, spiritual ceremonies, and communal practices, often under the belief that specific rhythms and melodies could harmonize the mind, body, and spirit. Maggie, 2021. As societies evolved, so did the conceptual frameworks around music's role in health, leading to more structured and evidence-informed applications. 2.1 Early approaches to music as therapy. In the mid-20th century, scientific and clinical interest in music's therapeutic potential crystallized through the formal development of music therapy as a recognized discipline. Early adopters of music therapy focused on the generalizable aspects of music, such as rhythm, melody, tempo, and harmony, to address broad physical and psychological outcomes. Meher et al., 2019. For instance, in hospital wards and recovery settings post-World War II, live performances were used to help patients relax or to serve as a form of psychosocial support. Music therapy subsequently expanded, incorporating structured models like neurologic music therapy, NMT, which employs specific music-based exercises designed to target sensorimotor, speech, and cognitive functions. Nair et al., 2022. However, the music used in these early initiatives was frequently selected by therapists or drawn from a limited repertoire. Individual patient preferences were acknowledged but not systematically integrated. The personalization process was often constrained by factors such as the therapist's training, the availability of live musicians, and institutional policies. 2.2 Emergence of personalization. By the latter half of the 20th century, clinical observations began to underscore the significance of individual music preferences. Researchers and practitioners noted that a patient's engagement and therapeutic response could vary dramatically depending on whether the music resonated with their cultural background, personal taste, or emotional history. Soule et al., 2021. Early studies hinted that patients who listened to self-selected music experienced improved mood regulation, reduced anxiety, and more positive attitudes toward their care. This marked a pivotal shift from treating music purely as a standardized stimulus to recognizing it as an intrinsically personal experience. The rise of cassette tapes, CDs, and portable audio devices in the late 20th century made personalized listening more feasible. For instance, caregivers in long-term care facilities could use cassette players for residents to hear their favorite songs, thereby reducing restlessness or disruptive behaviors. Nevertheless, widespread adoption of personalization remained uneven, partly due to limited research on best practices and uncertainty about how to tailor playlists effectively. 2.3 Influence of digital technology. The early 2000s ushered in a digital revolution, characterized by the advent of MP3 players, streaming services, and sophisticated music recommendation platforms, example, iTunes, Spotify. These technologies made it possible to store extensive collections of music and to curate playlists that matched each listener's preferences with ease. Savone et al., 2020. Clinicians and researchers began using this newfound accessibility to explore the therapeutic potential of customized playlists, where patient input was central to the selection process. This era also witnessed the growth of music therapy programs specifically structured around individualized listening sessions, sometimes referred to as receptive music therapy. Ritter and Gamessen, 2021. One seminal program, Music and Memory Registered Trademark Symbol, garnered international attention for its work with older adults living with dementia. The program provided each resident with a personal music device loaded with tunes drawn from their life history. Anecdotal success stories, from residents who appeared more engaged and communicative to those who exhibited reductions in agitated behaviors, generated a surge of interest and subsequent research. Hammond and Rosenberg, 2021. These developments lent momentum to the notion that personalization was not simply a comfort measure, but rather a clinical intervention with tangible benefits. 2.4 Growing evidence base. In parallel with technological strides, advances in neuroscience provided deeper insights into how and why personalized music might be more effective than a generic approach. Neuroimaging studies employing functional MRI, fMRI, and electroencephalography, EEG, began to show that listening to personally meaningful music engages reward pathways in the brain more robustly than unfamiliar or non-preferred music. Oakley et al., 2020, Xu et al., 2021. These findings spurred additional research, including randomized controlled trials, RCTs, and meta-analyses, designed to test the clinical efficacy of personalized music across various populations, ranging from individuals with chronic pain to those with Parkinson's disease. With growing empirical support, healthcare institutions increasingly incorporated personalized music interventions into their holistic care models. Long-term care facilities, rehabilitation centers, mental health clinics, and even surgical units began to adopt specialized protocols. For instance, some surgical centers provided patients with an opportunity to create custom playlists prior to operations, which they then played during preoperative or postoperative periods to help alleviate anxiety and pain. Jung and Lee, 2020. 2.5 Current landscape and future directions. Today, personalized music interventions occupy a critical niche in integrative healthcare. Researchers are investigating a range of applications, from reducing agitation in individuals with dementia to aiding motor recovery post-stroke, and even enhancing mood in patients with depression. So et al., 2018, Brewer et al., 2021. Technology continues to be a driving force, with the proliferation of wearable devices and machine learning algorithms enabling on-demand personalization that can adapt to real-time patient data. Nair et al., 2022. Looking ahead, the field is poised for further expansion as interdisciplinary collaborations between neuroscientists, music therapists, data scientists, and healthcare practitioners become more common. These collaborations aim to standardize intervention protocols, refine outcome measures, and develop ethical frameworks for data usage. By embracing rigorous research and innovative technologies, personalized music interventions have the potential to become a mainstay in patient-centered care, transforming the way music is leveraged for therapeutic benefit. Jung and Lee, 2020. 3. Mechanisms underlying the efficacy of personalized music. The effectiveness of personalized music interventions hinges on a complex interplay of factors spanning the neurobiological, psychological, and social domains. By selecting and tailoring musical experiences to match an individual's preferences, life history, and clinical profile, these interventions tap into multifaceted mechanisms that reinforce positive health outcomes. 3.1 Neurobiological foundations. A key element of personalized music's therapeutic power is its ability to engage the brain's reward circuitry. Neuroimaging studies, including functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI, have demonstrated that listening to self-selected music triggers robust activation in dopaminergic pathways, particularly in the ventral striatum and nucleus accumbens. Salampur et al., 2019. This dopaminergic response is closely tied to pleasure, motivation, and reinforcement, suggesting that personalizing musical stimuli amplifies the reward value of each listening session compared to non-preferred or generic music. Beyond the reward system, personalized music also appears to influence regions involved in memory and emotion, such as the hippocampus and amygdala. Oakley et al., 2020. Notably, the recollection of personal memories is facilitated when the chosen music aligns with autobiographical episodes or significant life events. Sherath et al., 2021. This can be especially valuable for individuals with dementia or Alzheimer's disease, as music-evoked memories may temporarily bypass cognitive deficits, reaffirming self-identity and emotional grounding. Jung and Lee, 2020. Furthermore, electroencephalography, EEG, studies hint that individualized music preferences can synchronize neural oscillations in a way that enhances attention and relaxation. Chu et al., 2021. Such synchronized patterns can reduce mental fatigue, prime the brain for learning or rehabilitation exercises, and promote a more stable mood state. Taken together, these neurobiological changes underpin many of the observed clinical benefits, from improved motor coordination to reduced anxiety and enhanced cognitive performance. 3.2 Psychological and emotional mechanisms. On a psychological level, personalized music serves as a conduit for emotional expression and regulation. Music that resonates with a person's taste often carries strong emotional significance, allowing individuals to experience and process feelings in a safe environment. In mental health contexts, this can be transformative. Patients with depression have reported feeling more understood, validated, and uplifted by playlists curated to reflect both their current mood and their aspiration for improved well-being. Ritter and Gamesin, 2021, W. et al., 2022. Another critical factor is the sense of agency and control that arises from choosing one's own music. Especially in healthcare settings where patients frequently experience a loss of autonomy, the act of selecting favorite songs can foster empowerment and a heightened sense of self. Nair et al., 2022. This bolsters motivation to engage in treatment and may alleviate stress-related symptoms. In neurological conditions, emotional resonance can help mitigate behavioral symptoms. For instance, individuals with dementia who listen to personally meaningful tracks may exhibit reduced agitation, fewer mood swings, and more frequent periods of calm. Sugg et al., 2020. Family members and caregivers often remark on the reawakening they observe in patients, underscoring the potency of music in tapping into core emotional states. 3.3 Social and behavioral dynamics. Social connection is another pivotal mechanism by which personalized music can exert healing effects. Music has historically played a central role in collective ceremonies and communal gatherings, reflecting its capacity to unify people. In contemporary clinical settings, group-based music therapy programs that incorporate individuals' preferred songs can enhance cohesion, empathy, and communication among participants. Hammond and Rosenberg, 2021. Sharing personal music choices prompts discussions about past memories, cultural backgrounds, and emotional experiences, thus reducing isolation and loneliness. Moreover, in certain neurological conditions, personalized rhythmic entrainment, in which the tempo of music is matched to an individual's gait or other motor patterns, can significantly improve functional outcomes. Parkinson's disease patients have shown more stable gait and fewer freezing episodes when practicing movement exercises accompanied by music tailored to their preferred tempo. Soule et al., 2021. These physical improvements translate to better social participation and reduced fear of movement, thereby promoting broader psychosocial well-being. Iliadou et al., 2021. 3.4 Synergistic impact on health outcomes. The convergent influence of these neurobiological, psychological, and social mechanisms underscores why personalized music often outperforms non-specific music interventions. When a patient's reward pathways are activated, their sense of identity affirmed, and their social connections fortified, all through music that carries personal significance, the therapeutic impact is magnified. So et al., 2018. This multi-layered synergy offers compelling advantages in fields such as dementia care, mental health treatment, stroke rehabilitation, and chronic pain management. Zato et al., 2021. As research methods evolve and technology enables more real-time tailoring of music to physiological and emotional states, personalized music interventions are poised to become even more precise. Future directions may involve refining these mechanisms through adaptive algorithms, wearable sensors, and remote platforms that continuously optimize the interplay of rewards, emotions, and social bonding. Ultimately, this comprehensive understanding of how personalized music works provides a strong foundation for advancing clinical practice and improving patient outcomes across the healthcare spectrum. 4. Personalized music interventions in neurological conditions. 4.1 Dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Dementia and Alzheimer's disease are conditions characterized by progressive cognitive impairment, memory loss, and significant behavioral changes. Over the past decade, personalized music interventions have become a cornerstone of non-pharmacological treatments for individuals with dementia, Sugg et al., 2020. Several randomized controlled trials, RCTs, and systematic reviews indicate that listening to individualized playlists can reduce agitation, promote prosocial behaviors, and even trigger partial recall of autobiographical memories, Nair et al., 2022. When integrated into daily routines, personalized music has been shown to alleviate caregiver burden by reducing stress and fostering positive patient-caregiver interactions, Brewer et al., 2021. Furthermore, technological advancements now allow for easy compilation and streaming of playlists custom-tailored to each patient's life history. Caregivers and family members are often involved in curating the playlist, ensuring it resonates with the patient's remembered past, Everett et al., 2021. While there remains a need for large-scale clinical trials to strengthen the evidence base, current findings highlight the potential of personalized music as a practical, cost-effective adjunct to standard dementia care. 4.2 Parkinson's disease. Motor symptoms such as bradykinesia, rigidity, and tremor are hallmarks of Parkinson's disease, PD. Personalized rhythmic auditory stimulation, RAS, has gained attention for its ability to modulate gait and movement in PD patients, Jung and Lee, 2020. By leveraging a patient's preferred rhythmic music, clinicians can improve stride length and reduce gait variability, thereby enhancing motor control, Soul et al., 2021. Studies indicate that continuous exposure to personalized rhythmic cues over several weeks can yield significant improvements in balance and coordination, with ancillary benefits for emotional well-being, So et al., 2018. Equally important is the effect of personalized music on freezing of gait, fog, a phenomenon in which PD patients temporarily lose the ability to initiate or continue movement, Iliadou et al., 2021. Preliminary research suggests that music with a consistent tempo, tailored to the patient's comfortable walking pace, can help mitigate fog episodes, potentially reducing fall risk, Ridder and Gamessen, 2021. Nonetheless, the long-term sustainability of these benefits and the optimal protocols for delivering personalized music interventions in PD require further investigation. 4.3 Stroke rehabilitation. Stroke recovery often necessitates a multifaceted approach that addresses motor, cognitive, and emotional challenges. Personalized music has been integrated into stroke rehabilitation to enhance motor learning via rhythmic entrainment, promote cognitive stimulation, and bolster motivation, Meher et al., 2019. For instance, stroke survivors practicing physical therapy exercises to music they find personally enjoyable have demonstrated improved adherence and greater range of motion over time compared to control groups exposed to non-personalized auditory stimuli, Hammond and Rosenberg, 2021. Another critical dimension of stroke rehabilitation is emotional well-being, as patients frequently grapple with depression, anxiety, and feelings of loss, Maggi, 2021. Listening to music with personal significance can aid in mood regulation, making patients more receptive to rehabilitative exercises, Sugh et al., 2020. The integration of personalized music into telerehabilitation platforms also shows promise, particularly for individuals with limited mobility or those residing in remote locations, broadening accessibility and facilitating continuous care, Brewer et al., 2021. 5. Personalized music in mental health. Personalized music interventions have steadily gained traction as complementary approaches in mental health care, particularly for managing anxiety, stress, and depression. Unlike standardized or background music, these interventions prioritize the individual's unique emotional and cultural context, seeking to harness the potent influence of music to promote psychological well-being. Recent studies highlight how personalizing musical selections can foster relaxation, bolster mood, and enhance treatment adherence, suggesting a growing role for music-based interventions across various mental health settings, W. et al., 2022. 5.1 Anxiety and stress management. Anxiety and stress-related disorders are among the most prevalent mental health challenges worldwide, often co-occurring with medical conditions and life stressors. Personalized music has proven especially useful in clinical contexts such as preoperative care, cancer treatment settings, and general stress management programs, Williams et al., 2022, Nair et al., 2022. By incorporating each patient's preferred genres, tempo, or lyrical themes, music interventions can modulate stress responses more effectively than standardized music playlists. Indeed, functional imaging studies indicate that familiar and emotionally resonant music can dampen sympathetic nervous system activity, thereby lowering cortisol levels and improving subjective relaxation, Oakley et al., 2020. Moreover, self-selected music can serve as a potent effective regulator, enabling patients to address anxiety proactively. For instance, patients undergoing high-stress medical procedures often feel more in control and less fearful when they listen to curated playlists that evoke calming or positive memories, Savone et al., 2020. Over time, repeated sessions with personalized music may help individuals cultivate healthier coping mechanisms, reducing the frequency or intensity of anxiety episodes in everyday life, Ridder and Gamesin, 2021. 5.2 Depression and mood disorders. Depression is characterized by persistent low mood, anhedonia, loss of interest or pleasure, and disruptions in cognition and behavior. Music therapy, particularly when individualized, has shown promise in alleviating depressive symptoms by engaging reward pathways, rekindling emotional responsiveness, and promoting social interaction, Sherath et al., 2021. In both inpatient and outpatient settings, patients who listen to self-selected or therapist-curated playlists often report feeling more supported, less isolated, and more motivated to engage with other therapeutic activities, So et al., 2018. Crucially, personalization enhances the therapeutic alliance, as the process of co-curating playlists fosters communication and rapport between patients and clinicians, W. et al., 2022. For instance, clinicians who invite patients to share meaningful songs can gain deeper insight into their emotional worlds, tailoring subsequent treatments to address core issues such as self-esteem, rumination, or social withdrawal, Nair et al., 2022. Some pilot programs even employ AI-driven tools to recommend and adapt playlists in real time, aiming to optimize emotional regulation and mood elevation during therapy sessions, W. et al., 2022. 5.3 Broader psychosocial benefits. Beyond anxiety and depression, personalized music interventions can benefit individuals with complex mental health conditions, such as post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, or bipolar disorder, by offering a non-verbal medium for expression and trauma processing, Ridder and Gamesin, 2021. In group therapy contexts, sharing personal music selections can also foster empathy and communal support, helping participants realize they are not alone in their struggles. Hammond and Rosenberg, 2021. This collective experience can break down barriers to communication, reduce stigma, and create a safe space for emotional disclosure. Moreover, the act of choosing or creating personalized music playlists can itself promote a sense of autonomy and mastery, key elements in psychosocial recovery. In many cases, music-based interventions can be delivered at home or in community settings, enhancing accessibility and continuity of care. As mental health services increasingly adopt technology-enabled approaches, personalized music interventions, supported by digital platforms and wearable devices, are poised to become integral components of holistic treatment programs. Nair et al., 2022, Oakley et al., 2020. 6. Personalized music for pain management. Pain management remains a critical challenge in healthcare, as both acute and chronic pain negatively affect quality of life and can be difficult to treat using conventional methods alone. Increasingly, music therapy, and specifically, personalized music interventions, has emerged as a promising non-pharmacological adjunct to standard pain treatments. Zhao et al., 2019. By selecting music that aligns with individual preferences, memories, and emotional needs, clinicians seek to leverage music's capacity to influence both the perceptual and affective dimensions of pain. 6.1 Acute pain and post-operative settings. In post-operative care, personalized music interventions have shown potential to reduce pain ratings and decrease reliance on opioids or other analgesics. Sugg et al., 2020. When individuals listen to music that reflects their personal tastes, they may experience enhanced distraction, heightened mood, and an overall sense of relaxation, factors that collectively modulate pain perception. Nair et al., 2022. By influencing the limbic system and boosting dopamine release, personalized music can shift attention away from discomfort and promote a more positive emotional state. Salampur et al., 2019. Moreover, practical considerations make personalized music interventions particularly appealing in busy clinical environments. Digital platforms and wearable devices allow patients to access self-curated playlists before, during, or after medical procedures. This easy accessibility not only empowers patients to participate actively in their own pain management but also aligns with modern healthcare's emphasis on patient-centered care. Zhang and Li, 2020. 6.2 Chronic pain and long-term management. Chronic pain conditions, such as fibromyalgia, neuropathic pain, and musculoskeletal disorders, often impose emotional burdens like anxiety, depression, and social isolation. Personalized music therapy can address these psychosocial dimensions by providing both immediate and cumulative benefits. Listening to music with personal significance may help release tension, facilitate emotional expression, and foster coping strategies over time. W. et al., 2022. The perception of control that comes with actively choosing one's own music can further alleviate feelings of helplessness, a common psychological component of chronic pain. Hammond and Rosenberg, 2021. Recent studies have also explored integrating personalized music with advanced technologies. Virtual reality (VR) platforms, for example, can pair immersive visual environments with an individual's preferred music to create a multimodal therapeutic experience. Early pilot trials indicate that such immersive, customized interventions can produce stronger analgesic effects than either VR or music alone, suggesting a synergistic pathway for alleviating persistent pain. Yang et al., 2023. 6.3 Mechanisms and clinical implications. Personalized music-induced analgesia is thought to arise from multiple interlocking mechanisms. Distraction theory posits that music competes with pain signals for the brain's limited attentional resources, Zhao et al., 2019. Neuroimaging studies further reveal that pleasurable music can activate reward-related pathways in the brain, potentially elevating pain thresholds and decreasing subjective pain intensity. Salampur et al., 2019. On the emotional level, personalizing the selection of songs allows for deeper psychological engagement, which can modulate stress responses and reduce the release of stress hormones. Nair et al., 2022. Clinically, these findings reinforce the value of adopting a holistic approach to pain management, one that integrates pharmacological interventions with non-pharmacological strategies like personalized music. In many cases, structured protocols involve identifying a patient's music preferences, curating a playlist with input from family or therapists, and scheduling listening sessions at optimal times, such as before painful procedures or during periods of peak discomfort. Sugh et al., 2020. As healthcare systems move toward more personalized, patient-centered care, the ability to deliver targeted, music-based interventions at scale will likely become increasingly feasible. Nair et al., 2022. 7. Emerging technologies and personalized music. Recent technological innovations are poised to transform how personalized music interventions are developed, delivered, and evaluated. Emerging tools and platforms, from wearable biometric sensors to artificial intelligence (AI) algorithms, offer unprecedented opportunities to fine-tune music-based therapies in real time, increase accessibility, and enhance patient engagement. This section explores key technological frontiers reshaping the field of personalized music in healthcare. 7.1 Wearable and biometric feedback systems. One of the most significant advancements in personalized music therapy involves the integration of wearable devices such as smartwatches, heart rate monitors, and electroencephalography (EEG) headbands that capture real-time physiological data. Nair et al., 2022. These devices can track metrics like heart rate variability, skin conductance, and brainwave activity, all of which serve as indicators of stress, arousal, or emotional state. Chu et al., 2021. By analyzing these biometric signals, it becomes possible to tailor musical interventions dynamically. For instance, if a patient's heart rate rises due to anxiety or pain, an app could automatically switch to slower tempo music known to induce relaxation. Wu et al., 2022. Similarly, a drop in heart rate variability might trigger uplifting or motivational tracks to improve mood and engagement. This adaptive personalization ensures that music remains closely aligned with an individual's changing emotional and physiological landscape, thereby optimizing therapeutic outcomes. Oakley et al., 2020. 7.2 Virtual reality, VR, and immersive environments. Virtual reality, VR, technology enhances personalized music experiences by pairing curated soundscapes with immersive visual stimuli. VR headsets can create simulated environments, from tranquil forests to interactive art installations, synchronized with an individual's chosen music. Yang et al., 2023. This multisensory combination amplifies the emotional resonance of music and fosters a heightened sense of presence or being there, which can be particularly beneficial in pain management, anxiety reduction, and neurological rehabilitation. Preliminary studies suggest that VR-based music interventions may exert synergistic effects, surpassing the efficacy of either VR or music alone. Hammond and Rosenberg, 2021. For example, stroke survivors practicing motor tasks in a VR environment may experience faster recovery when the virtual scenes are set to music that resonates with their personal history or cultural identity. Moreover, VR platforms enable remote delivery of interventions, offering valuable support for patients who face mobility limitations or live in underserved areas. 7.3 Artificial intelligence and recommendation algorithms. AI-driven recommendation engines, akin to those used by commercial music streaming services like Spotify and Apple Music, are increasingly being adapted for therapeutic purposes. These algorithms analyze individual user data, including listening history, genre preferences, and physiological feedback, to generate real-time, personalized music suggestions. Wu et al. 2022. By continuously refining their models based on user reactions and outcomes, AI systems can evolve alongside a patient's shifting emotional and medical needs. Such technology holds promise for scaling personalized music interventions to broader populations. Clinicians can leverage AI recommendations to create customized playlists for multiple patients in diverse settings, from hospital wards to mental health clinics. Soule et al. 2021. AI can also factor in cultural or linguistic nuances, ensuring that the music resonates with patients' backgrounds. While these innovations show great potential, rigorous clinical trials are needed to validate algorithmic accuracy and confirm long-term benefits. Brewer et al. 2021. 7.4 Ethical and Practical Considerations. Despite the promise of these emerging technologies, they present unique ethical and logistical challenges. Times data privacy. As wearable sensors collect increasingly granular biometric information, questions arise regarding data storage, sharing, and consent. Oakley et al. 2020. Times accessibility and equity. Some advanced solutions, such as VR headsets or EEG monitors, may be cost-prohibitive, raising concerns about equitable access to personalized music therapy. Times algorithmic bias. AI-driven recommendations could inadvertently exclude or misrepresent individuals from underrepresented cultural or linguistic groups. Wu et al. 2022. Times clinical integration. Implementing these technologies requires training healthcare professionals in both technical and ethical practices, as well as coordinating with music therapists, IT staff, and other stakeholders. Nair et al. 2022. Addressing these issues will be critical to ensuring that new tools expand, rather than restrict, the beneficial reach of personalized music interventions. Clear guidelines, interdisciplinary collaboration, and ongoing research will help bridge the gap between technological innovation and meaningful clinical application. 8 Challenges, Future Directions, and Conclusions. Despite promising findings and technological advancements, the field of personalized music therapy faces multiple challenges. One core issue is scalability. Effectively personalizing music across different patient populations, cultural backgrounds, and linguistic contexts requires substantial resources. Saw et al. 2018. Standardizing protocols for assessment, personalization, and outcome measurement remains another obstacle, as many studies utilize heterogeneous methodologies and small sample sizes. Data privacy and ethical considerations also loom large, particularly as new interventions rely on sensitive biometrics and AI algorithms. Oakley et al. 2020. Regulations must ensure that patient data is securely stored, ethically used, and does not breach patient confidentiality. Additionally, training clinicians and caregivers to incorporate personalized music interventions in a way that respects patient autonomy and aligns with best practices is a critical need. Nair et al. 2022. Looking ahead, integrating personalized music into telehealth platforms is likely to accelerate, spurred in part by global events that have amplified the importance of remote care. Emerging biometric and AI-driven systems promise adaptive music therapies that dynamically shift in response to user feedback. More robust, multi-center RCTs and meta-analysis are necessary to provide a stronger evidence base, guide clinical guidelines, and clarify long-term benefits. Zhang and Li, 2020. In conclusion, personalized music research has advanced considerably over the last decade, offering compelling insights into how tailor-made musical experiences can enhance neurological function, emotional well-being, and social engagement. With continued interdisciplinary collaboration across neuroscience, psychology, clinical medicine, and technology, the scope of personalized music interventions is poised to expand even further, cementing its role as a valuable adjunct in modern healthcare.